Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Denon receiver which has no sound from surrounded speakers. So here's a guide for surround mode and speaker config. Fix 1. Check the speaker connections. Make sure the surround speaker wires are firmly connected to the correct surround L or R terminals on the Denon receiver. Fix 2. Check the speaker settings. Go to Setup, select Speakers, and then go to Manual Setup. Select Speaker Config. Make sure the surround speakers are set to Yes or Present. Fix 3. You can select the surround sound mode. Press Movie, Music, or Pure on the remote and select the surround mode such as Dolby Surround and DTS Neural X. Fix 4. Check the speaker levels. Go to Setup, select Speakers, and then go to Manual Setup and select Levels. Increase the surround left and surround right levels if they are too low. Fix 5. You can run the speaker test tone. Go to Setups, select Speakers, and then go to Manual Setup, select Levels, and then go to Test Tone Start. Check whether sound comes from both surround speakers. Fix 6. You can check the audio source. Some content is only stereo. Try a movie or game with 5.1 or surround sound. Fix 7. Check the input audio signal. Press the info button on the Denon remote to check whether the receiver is receiving Dolby, DTS, or another multi-channel signal. Fix 8. Restart the receiver. Turn off the Denon and unplug it for about 1 minute and plug it back in and test the surround speakers again. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.